Good morning. Yo, God is so good. Can I just say that? I was sitting over here figuring out if I wanted to rent a car because I realized being here in Puerto Rico, mobility is not ideal. They don't have a whole lot of sidewalks. Everything is at least a kilometer away. And I was like, damn, I might have to rent a car. It's $1,000 for the month. It seems a little steep for what I need. And then today my friend who's a realtor, she's meeting up with her partner and she's like, hey, why don't you just keep the car? So I have a car. I have freedom, which I love. So for the errands that I need to run, the things that I need to do, I'm lucky enough to have my friend's car. Also, my new earrings. Look how freaking cute they are, you guys. I knew I was obsessed with them, but now that they're on, I love them even more. I'm going to be recording a new podcast today. I know it's been years, but I'm ready to bring it back, and I'm so excited. It's going to be someone so special. I can't wait to share with you guys. Life is good. I had a little bit of a trigger this morning, but we're on the other side, and I feel great. It's going to be a good day. Oh, I love coming out here. I don't know how the sound is going to be, but I'm just inspired. Like, look at the view that I get to wake up to. I get to be in. That's literally the ocean right there. I don't know, you guys. I don't know that the vlog is going to be a daily thing. I think it's definitely going to be more of like I'm just going to collect memories and moments and share. But I was thinking, I'm preparing to do a podcast right now, which I'm so excited to bring it back. It's been, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years that I haven't done my podcast. And I've been feeling this calling for a very long time of it's time to bring it back. You know, it's time to, I don't know, to just share the wealth of knowledge and wisdom and stuff of the people around me, my teachers, what I've learned, what I've grown through. There's so many people looking for hope and answers and trying to do better in life. And they genuinely just don't know how. And I know the podcast can help a lot of people. So today I'm actually interviewing my teacher, my very first spiritual teacher. And when I tell you this woman saved my life, she saved my life. This was the first person to ever look me in the face and say, when are you going to stop pretending that you're happy? When are you going to want more for yourself? And that realization to this day is the reason I don't quit, because little Jordy, I had no idea how much more I could have, how much more I could want, how good my life could get. And she saw me. And by seeing me, she kind of helped me see myself. Fast forward a couple of years, I'm now a successful business owner. I'm traveling the world. I still got a ways to go. But to be able to interview the woman who saw me, who woke me up, what a gift, right? So the podcast is coming back. The vlog is going to continue. I just probably won't be a daily thing, but I'm just having fun right now. Life is really good, you guys. And the perspective shift that I've had around how to do this and like how to share more of myself and teach and guide people, I'm just throwing away the rule book and I'm just going to do what feels good. I remember once upon a time I wanted to vlog, and I did it when I was married. Me and my ex-husband used to vlog. I actually deleted all of those once we got divorced. When I was 17 or so, I also started a YouTube channel around makeup, and I always wanted to like be an influencer or like vlog or share my life, because I used to love people who did that, but I didn't have a message. There wasn't a reason or a purpose behind it. And now that I'm like just recording my life and existing and seeing how much I've grown, and I don't know, there's just so much more in my life that is worth sharing. And I think a lot of us have a desire for a platform, a desire to share our voice, and we might not even know where it's going or why we feel called to do that thing. But trust it, lean in, because even if you start just with makeup, or for me while I was married, eventually it's going to make sense. Had I kept my YouTube channel back then, I probably would have been in the thousands of people that I would be able to impact today. I don't regret it, because again, you grow and you learn. But now that I have a platform, I don't intend on wasting it. I know it's not for everybody. I know it's not going to hit for everybody. But once upon a time, I was looking for me. Once upon a time, I was looking for someone who I looked up to. I became the woman I needed. And when I see me in my life, I'm like, there are so many women who are stuck in a 9-to-5, who are stuck in a loveless marriage, who are stuck in relationships and friendships and situations that are toxic, but they don't know they could have better. They don't know what's in the way. They have no idea. The problem is them, and it's internal. And that we have to grow and change as people in order to welcome better, to want better, to see better. You cannot see a good man if you believe all men are trash, right? But if somebody doesn't show you something different, if somebody doesn't challenge your reality, if you don't question what you're living in, you're never gonna desire better. So that is why I show up. That is why I'm going to use my platform to just share it all. It could be cringe. It doesn't matter. Cringe pays the bills, you guys. Cringe is how 20-year-olds are millionaires today. So we got to get past what other people think and do the thing that feels good. And if you have a calling to start a video, to do the thing, just go for it. Somebody's looking for you. Somebody needs you. You might be the medicine that somebody's waiting for. Anyways, I'll share the podcast once it's ready. And I'm sure this vlog will go up today, tomorrow, whatever. But life is beautiful, you guys. And I'm excited. There's so much good getting ready to come in, and there's so much that I can't wait to share at this point in my journey. I'm really grateful I'm documenting, because I'm going to look back 6 months from now, a year from now, and be like, holy crap, I'm so glad I started. I started at 17. I didn't know. I started again in my 20s when I was married. I didn't know. Now at 36, I have the knowing of, it doesn't matter what it looks like right now. This is going to become something greater. This is going to become something bigger. I'm just the vessel that God is using to work, to get the message across, to translate whatever it is that people need. But in this season that the world is so chaotic, earthquakes, fires, tornadoes, all of this chaos physically in the world, plus government and people and money and stress, people need hope. People need somebody to show them something different, and people need to know that it does get better. Collectively, it can get better, but it takes people sharing and showing up and being okay with being cringe. So that's my new role. We're gonna own it. And yeah, you guys, stay tuned. Guys, I just finished recording the podcast with my teacher. I cannot wait for you guys to listen to that. The breakthroughs, the clarity. Hell, even I caught some strays. It is so good. And I'm so lit up and so excited to bring back my podcast, because if that's the energy that's gonna come through in those transmissions and those conversations, oh, the world needs it. I needed it. And I think creating a space where I'm getting the wisdom and the clarity that I wish I had 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 3 years ago, I love that I get to be a part of that. So I'm excited for y'all to watch it. I'll let you know once it's live. But that was so good and so healing for my spirit. And I'm just so happy that the desire to make the podcast come back is here, because I know it's needed and I know there's a place for it. Oh, you're cute. Y'all, today has been a day of adulting. I'm really proud of myself in a way, because I needed to adult. I woke up at 5 a.m. I did my breath work, did a little bit of personal self-care, got ready. I washed my hair, which is a job. It takes about 2 hours to like wash it, style it, and set it for the week. Then I caught up with a friend, which I loved. That was probably a highlight. And then I just got to work. I did my budget. I went ahead and booked my next trip, which I've decided is going to be Colombia. I'm going to go to Colombia for a little while, actually a long while, and then Mexico after that. But I don't know, it's exciting. Trip is booked, Airbnb is booked, budget is completed. I know what I'm looking at. I have a plan. Now I can pivot more into business. And then I ended up going to dinner with a friend that, like an old friend. Her and I met in Florida once upon a time. And we used to hang out, we used to live in the same city, but it was like, on and off. And the fact that we are in the same city, in the same country at the same time, of course we had to meet. And I got to meet her fiance, which was really sweet. And just to know that I have more time in Puerto Rico, more time to spend with her, more time to spend with my other friend, more time to just enjoy this weather. Y'all, today the weather was giving life. It was literally perfectly sunny. The palm trees were glistening. The pool was looking so good. The only thing that kept me out of the pool is that I washed my hair this morning. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really proud of myself. And yeah, I don't know how often I'm going to be posting the vlogs. I'm just kind of recording and trusting that I'll put it together and share it as it comes. But I've decided not to do it in real time as much anymore, so that it's not so rigid, because I want it to continue to be fun, and 2, I don't think everybody deserves access to me in real time. So it may shift, I don't know, but I'm happy to document, because it's really cute to be able to look back and be like, oh, I remember that day, or when I did that thing, or when I saw this person. And I don't know, Puerto Rico so far has been very healing and a blessing, and it's opening a lot of doors, and I'm really excited for that. But I have a lot of really exciting stuff also happening in my business and my personal life. Life is really good. I'm not just saying that life is really good. And today is Friday, first weekend in Puerto Rico, loading. I will keep you posted if I do anything fun. I just want to go to the beach. That's really the big thing that's coming up for me, is I want to make it to the beach, and I hope I get to. The sooner the better. But yeah, happy Friday, y'all. I went and got my lashes done today. Look how good they look. I've never done it before. I've always wanted to. 10 out of 10. This is without mascara, by the way. Now we're about to go meet a friend. We're gonna go to dinner. We're feeling cutesy. Right now my life is really good. So you might be seeing less, but I am living more. So it's a W for me. Guys, not us having plans to like go to like a beach shack type place so that we could go sit at the beach after and like enjoy the sunset and all the things. Let me show you all the weather and like how that's not gonna happen tonight. I don't know if this does it justice, but it's like legitimately raining. Not a little sprinkling, rain. Okay, but it was worth the rain. Look at this view. Obsessed. Buenos dias. Y'all, today is a beach day. I can't freaking wait to just be by the water. Even though it's a little cloudy, I don't know if you can tell outside. It's gonna get better because I'm gonna be in the sun and I'm gonna put my feet in the water, and that's all that matters. So I'm feeling really good. It's a beautiful Sunday again, weather permitting, because it was raining a lot last night. It's gonna be a gorgeous day at the beach, and I'm just happy. I'm just happy to get outside. It's technically been almost a week here in Puerto Rico, and time is flying when I'm doing like a month at a time. Also, I booked my ticket for my next destination, and I'm gonna be going back to Colombia. There, I'm gonna be for about 2.5 months. It wasn't supposed to be that long, but it's just kind of how it worked out. And then after that, we're gonna be doing Mexico. So y'all stay tuned. It should be exciting and entertaining. But yeah, heading to the beach. About to have some coffee first, but it's gonna be a good day. I just know it. Guys, this is what I call living. Look at this. Love this girl, but also watch my view. I mean, tell me otherwise. What a life, dude. I'm obsessed. Guys, I finally made it to the beach. It's been, I don't know, 5 or 6 days here in Puerto Rico, but I made it. And it is so healing for my spirit to just hear the ocean waves, to be here with my loved friend. Like, life is good. I really can't complain. Obviously with the vlog, I've been kind of shifting into more weekly, and I don't even know if this one's going to make it before the Portugal one, but yeah, I'm happy to share in this way where it's like no pressure. It just feels good to do so. But these are the moments that life is made for, and sometimes we're so caught up and so busy trying to do the most that we forget to enjoy the little things. Like I was telling my friend, I grew up in a town just like this where we had the ocean, and I used to go every Sunday, and I genuinely just took it for granted. And now I pay to vacation at places like the one where I grew up. Like, if only I had appreciated what I had when I did have it. Like, my childhood was beautiful, and yeah, I wish I enjoyed it more. But now as an adult, I get to. So I'll share a couple more clips here and there, and then I think I'm gonna wrap the vlog here, and then I'll just do it for the next week. But I love you guys, and thank you for tuning in. Y'all, I can't help but just like be in gratitude all the time, because my life is pretty great. I just came back from the beach and spending time with one of my favorite humans on the planet. Now I'm sitting by the pool at the place where I'm staying, about to enjoy my delicious dinner, my little LaCroix. But like, this was not my life a few months ago. I'm not saying my weekends weren't fun and that I didn't do things that were exciting. But as I'm sitting here just taking it all in, how beautiful this is. Like, even the fact that these palm trees are here. Do you realize how happy this makes me to look out my window and see palm trees? And that I can just have a meal here, enjoying the sun. Mind you, I've been in the sun the whole afternoon, but like, I just get to eat by the pool, alone, undisturbed, enjoying nature, enjoying the ocean view. Just like, God is so good, you guys. And it's impossible not to be grateful when I've been in pits of hell to get to this place in my life. But like, this is really my life. I know I keep saying it, but it's not because I don't believe it. Obviously, I'm living it. What a dream. But it's because if you guys knew what it took to get here and how many many things I've had to work through and overcome and shift my mindset around and make peace with and release, because I've lost people, situations. I've left so much behind, including Coco, selling my car, my condo, starting over, getting it wrong. Y'all, these moments for me are heaven. I can't help but to be grateful, but I also can't help but to share, because somebody right now really thinks they're stuck and that there's no way out and that they're never going to have freedom or be able to travel or be happy or find, themselves. Because this isn't about love with another person. This is like, I'm in love with me, with my life, with what I've built, with God. Like, can y'all believe this is my life? I'm not saying it to brag. It's just like, this could be you. Anyways, I'm about to enjoy my dinner and then take a shower and relax. But I felt compelled to document this moment and just take it all in. Life is good, y'all. I really can't complain. Also, can we take a moment for the lashes? I'm kind of into it. I think I'm going to keep doing it because I'm wearing very little makeup, like literally tinted moisturizer and like a little bit of blush. And do y'all see that? I look like I have proper makeup on and I don't. But anyways, I'm shutting up. I'm going to have this moment just with me and God. And yeah, I'm happy. That's all. Happy Sunday, y'all.